pretty bad bras, black eyes and broken jaws. If you talk loud round here, boy, you better reach up like an old food truck. Now a good clean fight for me is just fine, but when a buddy pulls something from a belt line, things go bad but worse when the gun is drawn. Well, I had a good time, but I'm thinking about the ease alone. Cause a pistol grip ain't clothes and mixed with a gut full of alcohol. That old right hand to go to shaking, home to kill 'em all. So later keep it zip, I'm about to split before somebody drops the ball. Hey, I had a good time, but I'm thinking about the ease alone. Thinking about the ease alone.
You know I've been coming to this old honky-tonk for a while. Country boys talking noise just to make them girls smile. We relax, kick back and maybe have a few shots. Play in the country jukebox whether you like it or not. Today ain't a damn thing wrong with friends and they ball fool. Till the stranger in the corner started acting the fool. The little city slicker couldn't handle his liquor, started talking about the country folks. So y'all go quicker. I mean it happened so fast he couldn't figure it out. He couldn't get the taste of Georgia blues up out his mouth. The little sissy in a cowboy hat, that ain't good. You ask what happened, now he's napping from the lag boy sleeping. Feel somebody better get him, cause he don't belong. And I ain't going back to jail, so I'm gonna leave him alone.
Cause a pistol grip ain't clothes and mixed with a gut full of alcohol. That old right hand with good shaking, home to kill 'em all. So later keep it zip, I'm about to split before somebody drops the ball. Hey, I had a good time, but I'm thinking about the ease alone. Thinking about the ease alone. Thinking about the ease alone. Wanna take a ride, wanna pop a top and leave the past behind. A little country high, a little peace of mind. A little backwoods ride, cleanse my soul. So go long, get down to no river road. I car, a little less work and a lot more fun.
Gallon sugar,
Moonshine,
slow mo, watch the time fly by. Hey, I know what you want me here, but I say it's been a long damn year and I'm afraid of what you might find. Gotta ride through the country just to ease my mind. No phone, no car, I know that you might get lost. Got a tall truck.
When it gets too bad, I can always leave and find that spot where the time just stops. In the river right there if it gets too hot. So wild, so free, it sounds just right to me. Wanna take a ride, wanna pop the top and leave the past behind. A little country high, a little peace of mind. Little backwoods ride, cleanse my soul. So go long, come down the more river I go. Just scratch the week out for a minute and all the bullshit that comes along with it. Maybe get a little drum or stuck in the trees. And drop a little cricket in a big green bed. Drinking my beer, singing my song, riding dirt roads, nothing much wrong with that. It gets a little better with time, and time's the only thing I know that betters the wine. I remember